Let me count thy ways. The ways. What year is it?
My ways or thy ways?
Thy. Let's try that again. Naima wants to know, what kind of Instagram content should she create to grow her product-based business? Well, the stats are in, and over 130 million people tap on Instagram shopping posts every single month. And 80% of people use Instagram to make a buying decision. So if you're a product-based business and you want to use Instagram to drive more sales, great idea by the way, you're in the right place, because in today's video, I am answering one of the hottest questions I get, which is how to sell more products through Instagram. And stay tuned until the end, where I'll share what you can do if you sell a digital product, because selling a physical and digital product are two very different things. What I'm about to share with you has worked for my student Amanda, who sells vegan kale chips online, as well as Nikki, who is a product-based business owner and has successfully used my prompts and ideas to drive more sales to her products. I'm Elise Darma, and I've helped thousands of entrepreneurs, freelancers, and creatives like yourself use Instagram to drive more sales to your business. And in today's video, I'm sharing how to sell more products on Instagram. First, I'm going to cover a few tips on how you can make over your profile so that you sell more of your products. But before I dive in, I just want to share with you one account that you should definitely be following, and it's Instagram's very own @shop account. This is the account for you to get ideas on how product-based businesses are selling on the platform. Let's first talk about creating a bio that attracts the right follower who will become a customer. Now, for an in-depth video on this topic, I want you to check out this video right here. But for now, what I've done is actually pulled up an example of a product-based business and its bio right here. Go ahead and check it out. There's a few key things here that this bio has that you should have too. Things like keywords in its name field, delivery information, as well as a brand hashtag so that I, as a customer or a follower, can see what else is available. Next, let's talk about Instagram Shopping. Now, this is a built-in feature from the Instagram app that allows people to shop your videos and your photos in your feed directly so that they can buy from your shop. To set up Instagram Shopping, you do need to have a business profile and connect it to a Facebook page so that you can actually build a catalog of products. Once this is set up and approved by Instagram, you'll then be able to tag your very own products in your posts and in your stories so that your followers can shop and buy directly within the app. So once you have your bio in order and you have your Instagram Shopping set up, how do you as a brand sell more products? Let me count thy ways. The ways. What year is it?
My ways or thy ways?
Thy. Let's try that again. How can you as a brand sell more products? Let me count the ways. The first is the Instagram shop page. Did you know that that exists? You find it by heading over to your Explore tab and then tapping on Shop. There you will find a collection of shops that you can explore and products that you can buy. The next way is to have a product detail page. This is a product focus page that shows all the details of your product, including pricing, descriptions, and options that your product offers. Next is shopping tags. These tags allow businesses to highlight products from their catalog, either in their stories or in their feed, so that people can browse and buy. Now, to take it a step further, if you are a US-based business with the checkout feature, you can also highlight your products either in your captions or in your bio. Next is ads with product tags. So yes, you can turn your shoppable post into an ad so that it gets in front of even more people. Your ad can drive people to your own website or the checkout feature on Instagram, which at this time of recording is only available for US-based businesses. Next is built-in shopping features directly from an IGTV channel. Yes, this is possible. Check out how Fenty Beauty does it, where their IGTV video is shoppable.
Y'all, how I got this pretty boy beat using all Fenty Beauty. Period. And make sure y'all tag Fenty Beauty down in the comments, Miss Mama.
Next is live shopping. Did you know that you can go live and actually sell products while running an Instagram live stream? Check out how Yoka Fashions does it. She goes live typically on a Friday night, models the clothes from her shop, and her customers will actually request sizes or some of her products directly from the comments. Now, this is how Yoka Fashions has turned their brick and mortar business to adapt to the digital times. And in fact, it looks like, based on the comments, that there are a lot of sales being generated from this format. Okay, hope you're still with me. I have 2 more ideas for you, and these features are currently only available to businesses that have the checkout feature. Next is a product launch feature, which is currently being rolled out and tested. This is the ability for brands on Instagram to launch an upcoming product and be able to involve their followers who can follow reminders so that they are the first in line to buy. Last but not least, this idea is for the creator on Instagram. So the creator doesn't necessarily produce and sell their own product, but they promote other brands' products. And so with the Shopping from Creators feature, it's possible for creators to promote brands and products they love and for their followers to shop directly in their feed without ever leaving the app. All right, I know that's a lot, even for myself, that's a lot to digest, but it just goes to show that Instagram is creating so many built-in features so that you, the product-based business, can sell more of your products directly through the app. Now, what if you are a digital product creator? In fact, that's the category that I fall under. What features can you use of Instagram to sell more of your digital products? So you might not have as many built-in features as physical products do, but if you are a digital course creator or digital product creator, you can still use all the features of Instagram to sell, and that's exactly what I do. I'm talking stories, highlights, Instagram lives, DMs. I use all these features to sell more of my digital course products. 2 things that I really like to do to make my digital product feel more tangible is 1, creating a mock-up of the product as if it were a physical product. So here's an example of what I mean, where you can see that we've mocked up an image of the product as if it's sitting right in front of you and you've just ordered it and you're looking at it on your computer screen. Next, I like to create a peek inside video, and you can see an example right here where I actually walk my viewers through what it's like to be a student or a customer inside of this product. Again, with both of these ideas, the whole goal is to make a digital product feel more tangible, as if I can imagine what it's like to have as a customer. So if you're feeling inspired that you, the product-based business, can sell more on Instagram, I think you're going to like StoryVault. StoryVault is my answer to your question of what do I post today in my Instagram stories? And as you know, Instagram stories can be a powerful way to sell more of your products. So I invite you to check out StoryVault by heading to storyvault.co. Inside the product, you are going to see 800 Instagram story ideas for your business. Now I've divided them by B2B and B2C. If you're a product-based business, you're likely going to be in the B2C or business to consumer category. We have tons of product-based businesses inside, and they use the story ideas to drive more visibility, engagement, leads, and sales back to their product-based business. Head to the link right below this video and check out StoryVault today. To ease and revenue, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for checking out today's training on how to sell products on Instagram. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell so that you don't miss any future trainings just like this one.